Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch, or track these steps basically. We can track these steps on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. Some watch faces basically display that information. As you can see, this one is not, but you can open the menu by pressing and holding the menu button. Select the watch face, then press the GPS button, and here you can press the GPS button, select the customize option, and we can adjust the widgets basically. And we can, for example, scroll through the list of widgets and find the step widget. Oh, and here we have it. And once you select the step widget, you can press the GPS button. Then you can also change more widgets, because you have a couple of them on the watch face, but you can edit this out. And once you're done and press the GPS button until you see the check mark right here, the watch face will be applied, as you can see. And here we have our step counter. You can also check these steps on the watch by opening the glances. And to do it, once you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can press the up and or down button. Scroll through the glances and scroll through them until you find the steps. And here we have it. You can also press the GPS button, and here we have more detailed information. And last way to check it is on the phone. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Garmin Connect application on it, and there you can check more information. So we can bring the phone right here. Like this, okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see My Day page, and on it, you will see steps right here, last 7 days, or you can tap on steps. No, my bad. Oh yeah, you can, never mind. So you can tap on steps right here, and it will open a graph, and you have daily, last 7 days, 4 weeks, and year. So you can check different categories of or graphs for these steps. The daily just flips the screen around, which is weird. And then the weekly, as you could see, we had the 7 days, 4 weeks, and 1 year. So you can track your progression through the whole year if you want to. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you track the steps, or the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.